In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add text in OBS Studio step by step. Perfect for stream titles, lower thirds, labels, or any on-screen text you want to display during your stream or recording. This is great for beginners and works for streaming on YouTube, Twitch, or recording videos locally. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future OBS and streaming tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. Once you have OBS Studio open, make sure you're on the scene where you want the text to appear. On the bottom of the OBS window, locate the Sources dock. This is where all your visual and audio elements live. To add text, click the plus icon inside the Sources box. From the list that appears, select Text, and then choose Text GDI+. This is the standard and most commonly used text option in OBS. A small window will pop up asking you to name the source. You can name it something descriptive, like stream title, lower third, or on-screen text. Naming your sources clearly really helps later when you have multiple elements in your scene. Once you've named it, click OK. Now you'll see the Text Properties window. This is where you customize how your text looks. At the top, you'll see a text box. This is where you type the message you want to display on screen. You can type anything here, like your stream name, social media handle, or a message for your viewers. Next, let's customize the font. Click on the Select Font button. From here, you can choose the typeface, font style, like bold or italic, and adjust the font size. Choose something that's easy to read, especially if viewers are watching on smaller screens. After selecting your font settings, click OK to apply them. Scroll down in the Properties window and you'll see color options. You can change the text color by clicking on the color box. OBS also allows you to add a gradient if you want a more stylish look. Gradients are optional, but they can make your text stand out if used subtly. If your text is blending into the background, enable the Outline option. This adds a border around your text and makes it much easier to read against busy or colorful scenes. You can adjust the outline color and thickness to match your stream style. Once you're happy with how the text looks, click OK. You'll now see the text appear in the OBS preview window, surrounded by a red bounding box. To move the text, simply click and drag it to the position you want on the screen. To resize the text, drag any of the corners of the red box. If you want to stretch or squash the text horizontally or vertically, hold the Shift key while dragging. This gives you more control over the text shape and placement. Take a moment to position your text where it looks best and doesn't block important content. You can always come back and edit the text by double-clicking the text source in the Sources dock. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized text in OBS Studio. This simple feature can make a huge difference in how professional your streams and videos look. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more OBS and streaming tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.